Visit the new Earth and Sky Connection. Our second location at 104 Dunlop Street East, Barrie, Ontario. Beautiful. See William Wilson's beautiful art. Morning Whispers. More at our art gallery. At the other location, Penetanguishene Road, 461 Penetanguishene Road. We have an art gallery there now, as well as our wonderful shop. Selections of everything that are here at this location on Dunlop Street in Barrie. Same type of selections at our other location, except we include an art gallery. For those interested artists out there, you're more than welcome to submit your interest so we can showcase you at some date. All the medicines, homegrown, hand-picked, at the right moon, in the right ways. Psychic room as well. In the back there you can see the curtains. A room for all our wonderful gifted psychics, intuitives, and healers. Most of our healing work is done at our other location, the Earth and Sky Connection Retreat, again at 461 Penetanguishene Road. Here at this location we also have a community board. If you'd like to leave some messages about what you're up to for our community to find you, you're more than welcome to post something. Huge selection of books and tarot cards, CDs, and gift cards. From all over the world. Don't forget, we collect art from local artists, crafts as well, refurbished items. Some art by Gaia, one of our local artists. And last but not least, Kate Ramos. A few selections of her art here. Please join us at Earth and Sky Connection. 104 Dunlop Street East, Barrie, Ontario. 739-0171 or 739-7171. Bye now. Have a great day.